Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Solana from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to handle transfers like this is crucial for managing your investments. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and a verified account on Bitrue. Double-check that you have some Solana in your Phantom wallet. Nothing worse than trying to withdraw from an empty account. Let's get into the steps. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet app and unlocking it with your password or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your Solana balance. It's usually listed right on the main dashboard. Tap on it to select the amount you want to withdraw. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. Phantom makes this super intuitive. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section for Solana, and copy the provided wallet address. Paste that into the field in Phantom. Don't forget to double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. Solana transactions are known for being lightning fast and cheap, so you won't be waiting long. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. After that, sit tight while the blockchain processes your withdrawal. This usually takes just a few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, hop back to your Bitrue account and refresh your balance. Voila! Your Solana should now be there, ready for trading or staking. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, check the Solana Blockchain Explorer for updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below.